So because we know the aircraft is going to be used in diverse conditions and not all those conditions are the same, we have integrated different sensors to try to accommodate the precision learning for all of those challenges. For example, the night operations, foggy conditions. For that, we have implemented different cameras. So precision landing uses 2 sets of cameras, and we have a radar that also allows us to land in daylight and sunny days, night operations, foggy conditions. That's mostly the main sensors that we have integrated in our algorithms. It has been one of the most exciting projects that I have been able to work with. It will be extremely awesome to see now the same stuff that we have seen currently in our testing platform into the dock itself with the Sentaero 6. It's a personal challenge, but it's something that has been extremely exciting for me. So I cannot wait just to see that working with the Sentaero 6. Wow. The first time that we saw the aircraft landing following what we wanted to see landing precisely was it's still a great excitement, I think, me and the whole team, because we have tried so many things in the simulations, and then being able to see everything accordingly to what we expected, we observed from the simulation is quite rewarding for me, for my team. It has been a really great experience, and we have learned so much from this process.